my good friends, welcome again. I'm giving thanks to all my subscribers and to my new members who are watching, who are listening. Please support my YouTube channel. I always feel happy when I meet new subscribers have joined my team. On this video, I'll just show you how to turn off the apps running on background on your phone. What you do to turn off background apps with your phone, you just go to phone settings. You scroll your phone to phone settings, then you tap to open. When you open settings, you scroll down depending on the type of the phone, the model of the phone that you're using. You go to apps. You meet some phones, apps will be found still on settings, but you get some, you'll be named as apps management. Then you tap on either apps management or generally on apps depending on your phone. You tap to open. Then you see all your apps, inbuilt apps, and the apps which you have installed on your phone. Now, to turn off background apps, you just choose app by app. For example, let me take this one, boat driver. I go to battery. You can see this one is running on background. So for light to turn off the background, I'll just toggle this part to be like that. You repeat all this procedure to all the apps that you want to turn off background activity. And when you do so, move your phone battery, just turn off all the apps that you see they are running on background. For that, you save your battery, and on another part also you save your mobile data. That is all about for tutorial today. I hope you've enjoyed, and please, for those who are watching, please support my YouTube channel. Just subscribe, like, leave a comment, and also share with your friends. When I look at my analytics, I found that around 80% of those who are watching, they are not subscribed. Please, as you gain information from my channel, when you leave a comment, that's one way to support my channel. When you share with your friends, that is another way to support my channel. When you subscribe, that is another way of supporting my channel. I'll be glad to meet that you have subscribed to my channel. Thank you all. We'll meet again with another tutorial. Bye.